So here we are suiting up to paint the engine room bilge. We had taken the boards home for that painting to paint them, and then we got suited up to paint the concrete and steel members that are part of the build. The concrete there is ballast, and we ended up doing 4 coats of epoxy, gray white, and then 1 coat or 2 coats of a white polyurethane bilge paint, which is even more resistant to spills. And then we moved on to, this is the port bedroom. We needed to start removing its interior because there was water damage in it from the Salon water coming down. You can see some of the stains there from the water and everything, and then of course you can even see the wood there that's been damaged. We also had water damage from the Salon go into the master bedroom. So in a moment, we're going to start pulling that stuff out.
Well, we started demolishing the master bedroom. Got some of the walls out, all the trim wood, most of the trim wood out, a little bit of the headliner. Found the holes up there, and just trim wood and stuff like that over there. So we'll continue on that with this as we move forward. Let's see, the other thing we also did is the metal grate. Our swim platform has been taken off, so we got that off. Okay, well, those are the 2 big things we did today. Well, hole work too, but not a big deal.
So here we are getting ready to remove the floor in the salon. We would use a saw to cut through the parquet and into the plywood, and not hopefully the steel, and then pry it out. And there is my wife sanding away, actually grinding there with a grinding wheel to dig the rust out. And there you can see the spots that had rust, and that's in the salon. It was the least affected. The welders have now shown up, and they've started working on the upper deck. Looks like all this is their equipment that they were using. So looking out the pilot house at where the welders would be working, the first was a big plate they had up there that they were cutting pieces off, and that was the first. Actually, that's out over the back area. They put in a replacement piece. Now this is back inside the salon, where one of the old air conditioners had been, and it had rusted through a big spot there, so they cut that out. And here's kind of like what I would look like after doing some grinding. Definitely get quite dirty. Here's the poles slowly getting prepped for some protection paint. Basically, they were going to put a coat of epoxy on to stop the rust that was occurring since it was bare. This is treating it with the SR17 product, which did a really nice job of getting it into kind of an inert state to stop the rusting. Anyway, more work to come. Later.